Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed into iCloud and ready. Now open iCloud Drive. On iPhone or iPad, open Files and tap iCloud Drive. On a Mac, open Finder and click iCloud Drive in the sidebar. Once there, scan folders to identify large, redundant, or obsolete files you want removed. Make sure you have any local copies needed. Deleting from iCloud removes them across devices. Start by selecting one folder or file to delete, so you learn the flow before bulk actions. Select the items you identified and delete them. Tap Delete on iOS or move to Trash on Mac. Once deleted, go to Recently Deleted in Files or the Trash in Finder and permanently remove items to actually reclaim storage. If files are app managed, open Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud, right arrow Manage Storage, and remove app data or old device backups. Use the browser at iCloud. Com for bulk deletes if needed. Make sure you review sizes and versions so you don't lose something critical. After emptying Recently Deleted and Trash, check iCloud storage in Settings or System Preferences to confirm space was recovered. If changes don't appear, force a sync by signing out of iCloud and signing back in, or toggle iCloud Drive off and on. This refreshes the index. If you deleted something by mistake, immediately check Recently Deleted. Items are recoverable for a limited time. If sync conflicts arise, resolve them manually by keeping the correct local or iCloud copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.